Everyone's familiar with Eggs Benedict, that glossy hollandaise that everyone loves. I'm also going to show you how to make Florentine and Royale. One minor difference between the three, and they taste amazing. Let's get straight into it.
Starting off, we're going to make our hollandaise. I'm cheating a little bit by using a blender, but we're going to need 4 egg yolks and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This can be blitzed up for about 30 seconds to get it a little bit fluffy. Then we're going to slowly pour in 280 milliliters of unsalted clarified butter to form that emulsion. Those fat bonds are going to come together and create that thick sauce that we all know and love. Once it is put together, just season to taste with salt and ground white pepper. I use ground white pepper just so we don't have chunks of black pepper in there, and you can also use lemon juice in replacement of that white vinegar. But once you're happy with it, just pop this aside and keep it warm with a towel over the top. For the eggs, we're going to bring a large saucepan of water up to a boil, add in 1 tablespoon of vinegar here as well, just so it helps the egg coagulate and hold its shape. Once it's at a boil, we can then add in as many eggs as you like. I'm going to cook these for about 2.5 minutes for that beautiful soft poached. And I'm also going to toast up our English muffins at this stage. Again, the amounts here are completely up to you. Once you're happy with the way your eggs are cooked, remove them, place them onto some paper towel or a tea towel to drain off that excess water. And to make the Eggs Benedict, we're going to add a pan over a medium-high heat, add in a very small splash of sunflower oil or even olive oil, add in a few slices of ham or bacon, whatever you want to use. Traditionally it is with ham. Then we're just going to cook this for about 1 to 1.5 minutes on each side, just until you get that very slight golden sear. Now for the Florentine, we're going to do the same thing. I actually use the same pan here so you get a little bit of that ham flavour. Just add in a small splash of oil, any oil is fine of your choice. Add in 180 grams of baby spinach. Just saute this for about 2 minutes until it's nice and withered. Make sure you season it to taste, and if you've cooked spinach before, you'll know that it pretty much goes down to about the size of 1 leaf. Now to serve these, we're going to use our toasted English muffins. You can add butter to them if you wanted to, but there's enough butter in the hollandaise sauce. And each individual ingredient is going to go on top of that. So we got the ham in the middle, we got the spinach on the left, and then the salmon on the right. That's just smoked salmon, and that is going to be the eggs Florentine, the eggs Benedict, and the eggs Royale. Be sure to place over and balance those eggs well on top. Make sure they don't fall off. And then we're going to top it with that beautiful glossy hollandaise sauce. This is the best part about breakfast like this. That hollandaise sauce is absolutely beautiful. I know it's not 100% traditional. I do have that type of recipe on the channel as well if you wanted to go see how to make it traditionally. But once you're happy with all three, I like to top them with chives for a little bit of presentation. You can use a little bit of cayenne pepper or paprika as well. Top it with a little bit of cracked black pepper, and you're left with the beautiful trifecta of Florentine, Benedict, and Royale.
Once you have all that done, there is only one thing left to do. We can crack open that beautiful glossy egg, and we can then dig in. This is everything you want in a breakfast. It's easy, it's quick, it's delicious, and that hollandaise sauce can be made multiple ways, which I have details about in the description, and all 3 of these are very similar. You choose which one you want to make, or you can make all 3. But other than that, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, really does help me out, and consider subscribing along with hitting the bell notification next to it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.